maintain our zeal and enthusiasm always. If you see, all the Baba's children have the enthusiasm for service. So they have the zeal and enthusiasm for many things, like somebody has in something and some other people have in some different thing. So when we become Baba's children, then all kind of a zeal and enthusiasm in all the areas is important. But what Baba is telling today is the one should have the zeal and enthusiasm to become like a father. So the Brahma Baba come in front of me that how Brahma Baba in Baba's time when it was a beginning of the yagya, and after that when they moved to Abu Road, there were so many obstacles. Initially, many such obstacles came. Then after that, Bagri part came. Then there was such time that there was no place to live and there was no food to eat. But it was not like courage, but Baba's zeal and enthusiasm never reduces. So there were so many children Baba had, and they all used to look at Baba. They used to look at Baba's face, and Baba used to smile as if there is nothing. So they are the jewel of success. It was like Baba's spiritual intoxication, and by on like looking at Baba's face, they used to get courage. If Baba uttered two simple words like what will happen, why this is happening, how this will happen, no, never such words came out of Baba's mouth, because such words will will affect the children, those who were with Baba. I remember Vishwaratan Dada, Vishwakishore Bhav. There were Dadijis, many other sisters, but these brothers, they used to take care of the arrangement outside. So they used to little bit worry about Baba. They used to say that it used to be very much cold in Abu, and Baba. So Baba never used to wear like a big sweaters. So he used to wear a light sweater and then used to put a shawl or a simple socks he used to wear. In those days, the slippers also they used to make in house. So what Baba used to have? Baba used to have a simple slipper. He used to wear that. So at that age, even it used there were so many situations, but Baba never lost his courage. Along with that, his zeal and enthusiasm also did not reduce. What I have to become, what I have to do, what I'm going to become. So this was the Baba's awareness or Baba's remembrance or the Srimad or the journeying. So while doing all this, Baba used to maintain his zeal and enthusiasm. So everyone has a enthusiasm for service that we should do this, we want to do this. But along with that, if you have the balance, like if you have the enthusiasm to become like a father, that is more important and that is necessary. So where my attention went today, so like today Baba said that pure and determined thought of enthusiasm. Pure does not mean like it is Baba's service, but we also want to ours. We also have desires, and it is necessary too. But equally, it should be shown that are we becoming like Father? The first thing that I is noticed when I came to Baba at very early age, then Baba had this habit that Baba used to give a lot of respect and regard to others. It was not like somebody make like 10 different varieties, but he will ask what children like, if children from Gujarat will come, Baba got to know that they like to eat curry and khichdi. So nobody knew how to make that in the yagya because they were from different state. So Baba said, you come and then you make it, and then you make it for others. Then Baba will also tell them, make this and then give me some to taste. So Baba used to also tell that they will not say like, they will feel little bit uh, conscious that it's made only for us. So Baba used to say, okay, I will taste. So many souls from different states used to come. Then Baba used to ask to prepare as per their taste. So this is regard and respect for them. So there was a small meeting where Baba called us. So there were so many senior sisters. They were like around 20, 22 years. But Baba used to ask suggestions of everything. So Baba used to ask us also, and we used to feel like Baba's asking us for suggestion. So what happens when you give respect? So they become equal. So when we, if I only have to say, I only have to command, then Baba used to say that from day one, you only have to do, you are responsible. So we all took all the responsibility the way Baba's method was, whether it was in administration or in the contacts. Baba, even for the administration and even for the contacts, Baba's relationship was very sweet, but Baba also let us do the way Baba wanted. So nowadays there is a lot of expansion in the yagya. So if one say that we don't get support, we don't get support, no, that means we don't know how to take support. We don't know. So you have to take, you have to make some methods so that they become your support. So for me, from day one, we got a lot of companions from day one. So this is very important thing to underline, that a pure and determined thought of enthusiasm. Think about it. Think about it. Let there be zeal and enthusiasm at every moment. This is the basis for the flying stage. This enthusiasm will finish many types of obstacles that are to come and give you a lot of help to become complete. To become complete. This pure and determined thought of enthusiasm become a special and powerful weapon to make you victorious. Therefore, always keep in your heart the zeal and enthusiasm as the means of the flying stage. So you have to maintain, always keep in your heart the zeal and enthusiasm as the means of the flying stage. Have enthusiasm and say that I have to become like the Father and be full with the treasures of all powers, all virtues, and all knowledge. So, one, we have powers, but at the right time, right weapon, we have to use. So, one is the contact, the family connections, the family connections. Like Baba took care of such a big family, and Baba made everyone capable. Baba made them responsible, entitled. They used to feel that it is their own yagya. It is not Baba's, but it's their own yagya. So there are so many different specialities that we see when we have to become like Father. And see, Baba is saying today that have a determined thought, then you will be able to be flying stage.
अव्यक्त मुरली रिवीजन
Om Shanti.
1969 से
Avyakta Murli
ज्ञान के
revision
रतन
from
और स्नेह
1969.
के
Jewels
मोती
of knowledge, pearls of love.
अव्यक्तवाणी तारीख है
Avyakta
24
Murli.
अप्रैल
Date
1974।
is 24
अब त्रिमूर्ति
April
लाइट के साक्षात्कार
1974.
मुहूर्त बनने की
Fix
डेट
a
फिक्स
date
करो।
for becoming the embodiment of one
ड्रामा का
who
पर्दा
grants
खुल
visions
जाए
of the Trimurti
और
lights.
मूर्ति संपन्न नहीं हो
On
तो
the
क्या
path of
यह
bhakti,
शोभेगा?
on the path of bhakti also,
जैसे श्रृंगार में
there is the
16 श्रृंगार
system that
प्रसिद्ध
if
हैं,
an idol is
तो
even
क्या
slightly
ऐसे ही
damaged,
संपूर्ण
it is not
16
considered
कला
worthy.
संपन्न बने हो
So,
या समय पर
it is
जिस
not
कला की
worthy to be
आवश्यकता
worshipped
हो,
or even
क्या
worthy to be
उस
in a
समय वह
temple,
कला
nor
स्वरूप
can
में
it be an
नहीं आ
idol that
सकती।
people have a glimpse of.
यदि
Would it
स्मृति में
seem
आता
right?
है
If when
लेकिन
the curtain
स्वरूप
of
में
the
नहीं
drama
आ पाता,
opened, the idol behind it
तो
was not yet
आपको
complete.
सफलता कैसे मिलेगी?
In their decoration, the
यदि युद्ध
16
स्थल में समय
decorations
पर
are
शस्त्र
specially
उपयोग
remembered.
में न
So,
ला
in the
सके
same way,
तो
have you
क्या
become
विजयी
16
होंगे?
celestial degree complete?
पहले स्वयं को
Or
संपन्न बनाने
is
के
it that
प्रैक्टिकल
at the
प्लान
time you
बनाओ
want a particular
तो
skill,
सहज सफलता
you are not able
आपके
to put
सन्मुख आ
that skill
जाएगी।
in
अब तक
practice?
रिजल्ट क्या देखिए?
If you are able to remember it
स्वयं
but
की और
not
अन्य आत्माओं की दोनों
able
की
to
सेवा
become the embodiment
साथ
of it,
साथ और
then
सदा
how
रखें।
would you attain
दोनों का
success?
बैलेंस समान रहे
If on a battlefield
यह
you
दिखाई
are
देता
not
है।
able to use your weapons at the
दोनों
right
का
time,
बैलेंस विश्व
would
की
you
सर्व
attain
आत्माओं को
victory?
ब्लिस दिलाने के निमित्त बनेगी। यूं तो सर्व कार्य बाप का है, लेकिन जैसे अन्य कार्य में निमित्त बने हुए हो तो इसमें क्यों भूल जाते हो? जैसे भक्त लोगों को
First of
जब
all,
कोई
create
कार्य
a
मुश्किल
practical
लगता है
plan to make
तो
yourself
भगवान के
complete,
ऊपर रख देते हैं ना।
and success will
सहज
personally
में
come
स्वयं
in front of
और
you
मुश्किल
easily.
में
What
भगवान।
results have been
तब
seen
तो
so
बाप
far?
ने
Is
सर्वशक्तियों
it
का
visible that
और
both
सर्व
service
कर्तव्यों
of the
का
self and
आपको
service of
निमित्त
others
बना
take
दिया
place
है ना,
constantly
क्योंकि
and
बाप ने स्वयं को
simultaneously,
वानप्रस्थी बनाकर
and that the
आप
balance
सबको
between the two
तख्त
is
नशीं
maintained?
और
The balance
ताजधारी
of the
बना
two
दिया है।
will become
जो
instrumental
बाप
to
की
give the souls
जिम्मेवारियां
of the
रही
world
हुई है
the experience
वह
of bliss.
अब तुम
In
बच्चों की
fact,
हैं।
the entire
हाँ,
task is the
मददगार बाप
Father's.
अवश्य है,
But just
लेकिन
as there are
साकार स्वरूप
instruments
में
for all the
और नाम
other
वाला
tasks,
करने में
so
सब
too,
शोज फादर है।
why do you forget to
इसलिए आप
become the
सभी
instruments
जिम्मेवार
for this
आत्माएं हो,
task?
परंतु
When
साधारण
Bhagats
आत्माएं
find a
नहीं हो।
task difficult,
आप
they leave
ज्ञानी
it to
तो
God.
आत्माएं और विजय
When
रतन
it
हो।
is easy, they do
समझा?
it
यह
themselves.
है महारथियों का
And
कार्य।
when it is difficult, they leave it to
प्रत्यक्ष फल
God.
के प्रैक्टिकल प्लान
However,
बनाने वाले
Baba has now made
सदा
you the
विजयी हमारा
instruments
जन्म
of
सिद्ध
all the
अधिकार
powers,
है।
and
ऐसे अधिकार
for
प्राप्त
all the
करने वाले
task has
चैलेंज
he
को प्रैक्टिकल
not?
में लाने वाले
Because Baba has
सदा
given you
संपन्न
the throne
साक्षात्कार
and the
मुहूर्त
crown and taken
त्रिमूर्ति
himself
लाइट
into the
धारण
stage
करने
of
वाले त्रिमूर्तिवंशी
retirement.
एक सेकंड में तीनों शक्तियों द्वारा साथ साथ काम करने वाले और
The
बाप
remaining
दादा के
responsibilities
सदा
of the Father
साथी ऐसे
is now
महावीरों को बाप दादा का याद प्यार और गुड नाइट। अच्छा, ओम शांति।